Okay, in this session, we are going to understand the concept of terms of issue of debenture. So we can issue debenture as in case of shares like par, premium, discount. Par means suppose a business want to issue rupees 1000 debenture. Okay, suppose want to issue debenture of 1000 rupees. Okay. So this can be issued to public or an investor at a par, premium or discount. If it is issued in par, the journal entry as per lump sum method will be bank account debit to debenture account. Okay. So amount will be 1000. When these debentures issued at a premium of 20%, the journal entry will be bank account debit to debenture account to security, yes, security premium account. So 1000 rupees is the face value of debenture, so it will be transferred to debenture account. Then the 20 percentage of premium will comes to 200. So total amount credited in the bank account will be 1200. Concept clear? Okay. If it is issued at a discount of 20 percentage, the journal entry will be bank account debit, then to debenture account. Here the amount will be transferred to debenture account is 1000, that is its face value. Then we provide 20% as discounts. So we have to open discount on issue of debenture account debit. So 200 will be provided as discount. So the only amount credited in the bank account will be 800. So these are the three terms of issue of debenture. So you have to make use this concept in our problem. So we want to disclose issue at a par and redemption at a premium, redemption at a par. So different combinations of journal will be discussed. For that we must have the knowledge on this particular topic. Okay.